your guide to take exams at the designated exam center. Hello students, get ready for a smooth exam experience with our step-by-step guide for taking the exams at the designated examination center. Students are required to bring a hard copy of the downloaded hall ticket to the examination center for entry and to be allowed to take up the exam. You should use this URL. Then you should insert your email, BITS email ID and password. Click on Go to Test. Provide the proctor code. It will be unique for each subject and will work as an access key. It will be provided by the invigilator. Test your smartphone. Ensure the back camera works. Scan the QR code, follow instructions and upload a sample image. Capture your hall ticket image for verification. Click Submit. You are now in the waiting lounge. Relax and prepare for the exam. Click on Launch Test and test will be started. You are now on the test screen. Remember, you cannot go out of the test screen during the exams. The test window is loaded with features. Explore them. Ensure that questions are properly visible on the screen. Timer at the top will display the exact remaining time. Navigate easily between questions. Use previous and next tabs. Mark questions to revisit later. Discover the platform, a calculator for quick math, an Excel pad for complex calculations and analysis. Once you have attempted all the questions, finish the exam. Ensure that you have typed all answers or written on A4 sheets as per guidelines. Click Finish Test and don't worry about typed answers. They are auto-saved. For select courses, scanning and uploading of handwritten answers will be allowed. Remember, you have to scan the QR code for each answer sheet separately for respective questions. Only live images can be uploaded, not pre-saved ones from your gallery. Once you have completed the assessment, you will get the below window. Click on View Report to view the exam report of the complete assessment. Please note the exam reports will be disabled for preview once the evaluation starts.